Well, g'day gang. I thought I might show you a bit more on the handles. This is the rear one, or one of the rear ones. Actually only this one here is the one that needed to, it's too tight, just like the other two. And if you look carefully you can see that at some point someone has already been in here and broken that off. They've also been in and they've drilled some holes in it, which would have been a task in itself. It looks like they've actually broken the little tag off there too for the, like it's just like this one's got, you know, two tags. It looks like someone's busted that bugger off. But I thought I'd show you this one. This is the driver's side one, this was my second attempt. Now the first one, of course, super cautious. And yes, I got it freed up, but it wasn't without incident. And the incident happens to be right there. I think you can see the difference. Yeah. As I was tapping it out, it actually it broke off, which is a bugger, because a 1938 Chev is not sort of a thing that you just get anywhere. A door handle you get anywhere, but it fits its partner there perfectly. My plan is to, and hopefully I've got, I don't know if you can see what I have here, some roll pins. Yeah, you know what they are, little split roll pins. Hopefully I can get 3 of these small little buggers. Hopefully I've got a drill bit that's perfect for that, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to drill down probably 3 positions on this and put them pins in and pin that onto its place. I don't know if it's going to work, but I've got to do something. I'm going to put this one on the back because you know, passengers, we rarely have any, so it's on the driver's rear, so I'm going to put this other one on the front once I've made it operate again. But yeah, all the handles are the same, which is a handy thing, I suppose. As you can see, they're both right hand and they're both exactly identical. And left hand are the same. The only difference is that the spring is on here and this is over here. So the spring is flipped and all put back together again. So if anybody knows of a 1930, I'll say 7, 8, 9, don't care what side door handle, opening mechanism I mean, yeah, front, rear, left or right, doesn't matter, but I'm looking. At any rate, I'll pull this one apart first, I'll make him work, and I'll probably put that door together, and then we'll attack this fella after that, and I'll come back to you when I'll see how I'm going. Whoops, see how I'm going with that bit. Looks like I'm going to be burning them back on. A couple of spots on there with the welder will be fine. I had a feeling, but you know, I'll just burn them with a couple of spot welds. That'll be fine when I get it back together, when it's going back together, that is. Now when I say this is tough, I'm talking tough. Like, it's not a massive hammer, I don't want to whack it real hard, but I've already burned this for 15 minutes. Now remember, this one's already been messed with. So it's really stubborn. It's really it baffles me. It baffles a lot of people too. But one guy, Spannerman Tim, from over in Great Britain, he said he's seen it before in old die cast. It grows. I don't know how that happens, but wow, I'm at a loss, but I guess anything's possible in this world. I'm not the genius, you know, so I'm not a metallurgist or anything like that. I guess we could find out sometime, or somehow. Or anyone else has come across that where, you know, something's grown like that. But this is really, really hard stuff, so yeah, I'll get back to it so you don't have to listen to any more banging. Yeah, these are exactly the same. You know, it doesn't want to go. Same. And look, again, you know, someone's burning. I don't know if that's an afterthought. It kind of looks a bit uniform, really, for a shabby, you know, modification. But into it with the die grinder we go. That'll do the trick. I ain't falling out. Okay, that's the first one down. Now here's my theory. The handle goes in the car. The handle clips. Show you the clips. Well, this is one clip. That so it only occupies a little space, and that space just happens to be, no, where are we? That goes that way. That way. So that space just happens to be in that zone there. So my theory is, if I can drill and pin there, there and there, it won't affect the rest of it, because that slot is actually just for retaining of the handle. So I don't have a drill press. This is going to be a drill by hand, and so I'm going to try the 1.5mm first with the roll pins. I'll see what happens with one of them, and if it goes in okay, no problems. I don't care about the length as long as I go in enough. But I'll get back to you when I've got a little bit of progress. We'll see what happens. Got to remember to stop pushing on it, because this thing bends up really good. 1.5mm. I'm getting there, really slowly, but I'm getting there. Obviously went through the first level, I think. Or did it slip in my drill bit? I think I might have gone through the first bit. I don't know. We'll give back. No. Took the tip off. Oh well. Looks like it's a 2mm. Okay, so I've retired that idea. It's not going to happen there. What had actually happened here is that I just broke the 2mm, and I didn't snap the little fella off. It actually blunted. So this die cast is really tough stuff. Yeah, I've got a magnifying glass under it and had a look, and it's just actually blunted the drill bit. And probably my drill bits are shitty, but you know what I mean. So for the minute, I'm going to be looking for another handle, for another mechanism. So if you're anywhere near one of these old tractors that are out in the paddock or something like that, and it's got one of these mechanisms in it, let me know. If you take a photo or something, let me have a look, because I'm interested. I think I just want the one. If I can get the one, I'll be sweet. Anyway, I'll put the whole thing back together and we should be happy. I apologise. Yeah, it broke off alright. So I don't know, maybe if I can get a better quality 1.5mm drill bit, Might work. Might just work. So I haven't given up hope yet. I just don't have a drill bit here at the minute. So that's a bugger. There she is. You can see. Okay, well, there's a hole. Never mind. So, okay, 1.5 mil drill bits I've got to get. A few of them by the look of it. Alright, okay. Have yourselves a good one. We'll check you later. Be safe. And, yeah, watch after yourselves and your friends.